He thought he was just helping a woman stuck in the snow. No big deal. Just another cold night, another broken-down car. But what he didn't know was that she was a billionaire. And the moment he chose kindness over profit, everything changed. The snowy mountain town of Pine Ridge lived a man named Joe. He ran a small garage on the edge of town. It wasn't much, a squeaky old sign, a couple of worn-down tools, and a heart that never turned anyone away. Joe wasn't rich, but he was respected. He believed in helping people first and asking questions later. Neighbors loved him. Travelers trusted him. And Joe never once let the coldness of the world harden his kindness. One icy evening, a brutal snowstorm swept through town. Most people stayed home. But Joe noticed flashing lights in the distance. A car. Stuck. He didn't hesitate. He grabbed his coat and flashlight and trudged into the blizzard. Inside the car was a woman, freezing, scared, and alone. Her name was Claire. The battery was dead, her phone out of power. Joe wrapped her in a blanket, brought her to his garage, and started working on her car. No charge, no questions. Joe made her coffee and gave her a seat by the heater. While he worked, they talked. Not about money, not about success, but about life, about loss, about family. Joe shared stories of his father who taught him to be kind. Claire listened quietly, clearly moved. She offered to pay multiple times. Joe always smiled and said, "You looked like you needed help. That's all that matters." She left the next morning, her car fixed and her heart deeply touched. Joe thought it was just another day, but Claire knew otherwise. A few weeks later, Joe returned from lunch to find something unbelievable. His garage was completely transformed. Brand new tools, fresh paint, a modern office, and a new sign. Beaumont and Joe's Garage, powered by kindness. A letter sat on the desk. It read, "Joe, you helped me with no expectations. You reminded me that there's still good in the world. You didn't know who I was, but you treated me like I mattered. This is my way of saying thank you. Never change. Claire, Beaumont." Joe stared at the letter. Claire was Claire Beaumont, billionaire CEO, and she had just changed his life. Joe didn't let the fame or money change him. He still wore his old boots, still made coffee for customers, and still helped people who couldn't afford to pay. But now he could do even more, because his kindness had echoed back to him in the most unexpected way. Sometimes the smallest act of kindness unlocks the biggest blessings. If this story moved you, please like, share, and subscribe to Kindness Echoes. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a story that reminds us all what really matters. Because in a world that can feel cold, be someone's warmth.